Hi and welcome back to Learn Python by doing number 14. So we still are going to learn something else about decorators. This is going to be very easy, chaining decorators. But before we move on, I wanted to tell you that decorators are everywhere in Python, especially when you use this framework called Flask, which is very used for web development, and as their logo says, one drop at a time. So it's a micro framework, and it's very flexible. I like it a lot more than Django. Maybe you have heard of that. And well, in the first program that you write in Flask, then you encounter this. From Flask, import Flask, app equal to Flask name, and then in the third line of code, or well, in the fourth in this case, if you use this white space, then you are going to encounter a decorator .app.route, and this is how you define a route in Flask. And then you decorate your function, which is going to return hello world, and then you can go to your local host and see this hello world in your screen. So that's an example that I wanted to show you. And let's see now how to chain decorators. Okay, so let's first define our wrapper1 function, which is going to receive this function f, and then the inner function is going to, well, we have already seen that we can pass args and args directly. And I don't know, let's see. I am the first decorator. Then we call f with args and args, and here I'm going to print I am the end of the first decorator, and return the inner function. Now let's copy and paste this code, and here this is going to be wrapper 2. I am the second decorator. I am the end of the second decorator. Okay, so now we're going to define our hello world function, which is simply going to print hello world. Hello world. Now we're going to decorate this one with wrapper1, and well, you already know the result of this. If we call it directly, I am the first decorator, I am the end of the first decorator, so nothing special. But we can decorate all of this with the second decorator, and we simply have to specify the wrapper above the first wrapper. So now it's wrapped inside the second decorator. So the order is important, because if we change the order, now this is going to be the result. I am the first decorator, I am the second decorator, and well, it depends on your application of what you want to do. So that's all I wanted to say in this video, that you can also chain decorators, and this is actually extremely important and useful, because in Flask, for example, there are some other decorators. For example, I think it's called login required. So this is for protecting your route. So if the user is not logged in, then you can use this decorator in order to specify, hey, you need to be first login in order to access this page. There is another one, I think it's called socket.io or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but that's for saying, hey, this function is going to be a socket. So this is going to receive the events of the socket. So they are extremely useful. And well, I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one.